Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Alan, and welcome back to the Stanky Shack YouTube channel. In this video, we are installing a metal roof on my in-laws' house. Now, if you're new to this series, their house was hit by a tornado at the end of 2019, and we are helping them rebuild it and remodel it. As you can imagine, this has been a pretty massive DIY project, and we've been working on it for about 7 months or so now. And during this video, there was a pretty high chance of rain, so I didn't mess with the camera a whole lot. We were really trying to finish really quickly before it started raining. We actually lucked out and it never really rained on us at all, so we kind of rushed for no reason, but at least we got a lot of work done in a short amount of time. And also, while we were putting the metal on, we forgot to put the foam closure strips at the bottom, but don't worry, we did go back and put those in off camera a little bit later. I think that gets you guys up to speed on the project, so I'll be quiet and let you guys enjoy the video. So to make our holes line up on our metal, we are pre-drilling all of the holes. That way all of our screw heads are nice and straight. We are nearing the end of the video because my memory card filled up, but we did get all the roof put on this side of the house, but the other side does still have to be done, so I'll post an update as soon as the whole roof is complete. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell if you want to be sure you don't miss any future uploads. This is a very big project, so we still have plenty of videos left to make. And then after we're done with this project, I still have a lot of other things that I want to put on this channel as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.